Namaskar and a very good evening to all. My lord, may I now seek kind permission of the chair to declare the function as open.
Please begin.
Thank you, my lord. The function is declared open. We are now in phase 11 of launching a paperless courts in the state of Odisha, which is an ongoing project, and the Honorable High Court in every month adding more and more paperless courts in the state. In this month, 25 more paperless courts in phase 11 in various jurisdictions of the state are ready for functional, and the total tally will be 341. Further, the e-RTI service portal of the district courts is also ready for launching. My Lord Honorable Sri Justice Chakradhari Saran Singh, Chief Justice, High Court of Orissa, will be shortly inaugurating these 25 paperless courts in various jurisdictions and also will be launching the e-RTI service for the district courts through virtual mode in the presence of Honorable Companion Judges of the High Court of Orissa. On this occasion, I, Pratap Kumar Patra, Registrar General, on behalf of the High Court of Orissa, extend a heartiest welcome to Honorable the Chief Justice, all our Honorable Companion Judges, District Judges, Judicial Officers, Officers of the Registry, Office Bearers and members of the respective bar associations, members of print and electronic media, and all the dignitaries present in this inaugural function. May I now humbly request my Lord Honorable Justice K.R. Mahapatra, Judge, High Court of Orissa, and Chairman of the IT and AI Committee to kindly deliver the welcome address to the august gathering. My Lord, please.
Thank you, Mr. Patra. Namaskar and a very good evening. Honorable Sri Justice Chakradhari Saran Singh, the Chief Justice of High Court of Orissa, and my colleagues in the IT and AI Committee, my sister and brother judges, esteemed Mr. Patra, the Registrar General and his team, my dear Mr. Soumya Saurav, the CPC, esteemed district judges and other judicial officers and other officers of the districts, respected President, Secretary, Office Bearers and members of the district bar associations who have joined us online, members from the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. In a few moments, we are going to inaugurate 25 more paperless courts by our Honorable Chief Justice. He will be also launching the e-RTI services for the district courts. As you all know, today's function is has two events. So firstly, I must address you on the paperless courts. As you all know, this is the 11th phase of opening of paperless courts. We have already opened 316 paperless courts in the district headquarters. Today, we are going to open to the 25 more paperless courts in the district headquarters. As of now, 11 districts have already, district headquarters of 11 districts have already been paperless. Today, by inaugurating 25 more paperless courts, three more districts, namely Keonjhar, Balangir, and Sundargarh, will be completely paperless. My dear friends, we are adopting the technology even unknowingly. Previously, we are communicating through postcards and inland letters, envelopes, sometimes through telegram. But as the time passed by, we have forgotten that. Now we are communicating through emails, WhatsApp, and various other modes, which is quicker, cheaper, and user-friendly also. We need not have to go to a place to drop the letter or to make a telegram like that. So technology always takes us to a level where we can function and we can perform better, and adopting the technology is our option. If we don't adopt the technology, we may face trouble, but as the time passed by, those things will be obsolete, and we have to leave those technology, those modes, and adapt to the technology. Previously, now we are using fuel propelled vehicles. Now we are switching over to the e-vehicles. Like that, if we adopt the technology by like our paperless courts, the things will be the conduct of a case, the preparation of a case, handling of a case, handling of a brief will be more easier. Unless we adopt the technology, we cannot know the deficiencies or difficulties in it. Once we adopt, we can address to the difficulties and deficiencies also. So I request all the advocates of the 25 paperless courts that they should adopt the technology. They are adopting gradually, but they should also cooperate and make suggestions how to improve those how to improve this facility to serve the litigant public better. Today also, our Chief Justice will be launching e-RTI services. Beforehand, in High Court we have e-RTI service, but today it is going to be inaugurated to be launched in all the district courts as per the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court. By that, from filing of the application till getting the information, everything will be transparent, and you will also know at what stage your application applicant's application is at. So I again welcome you all to this function, and more importantly, I welcome all the presiding officers of 25 paperless courts, so also the advocates of those districts. Thank you all. Namaskar.
Thank you, my lord, for the warm and heartfelt welcome extended to our honorable guest, as well as the advice extended. May I now please request my lord honorable Chief Justice Chakradhari Saran Singh, Chief Justice, High Court of Orissa, to kindly inaugurate 25 paperless courts in various districts of the state and launching of e-RTI service portal for the district courts.
Welcome to the online RTI portal made for the District Judiciary of the State of Odisha, developed to facilitate the supply of information through online web portal and for all incidental purposes connected with the implementation of the Right to Information Act 2005. This portal has the facility of user registration, login and seek information under RTI Act. View the current status of RTI application. Obtain the information supplied by the concerned Public Information Officer of the District Judiciary. All the Public Information Officer of the District Judiciary have been provided with login credentials to view the RTI applications filed through the portal and process the same. Further, transfer of the application to concerned Public Information Officer is also available. Facility has been made to upload the information sought for by the applicant. This portal also provides report module to generate reports of RTI applications filed, response submitted, etc. with the facility of exporting it to Excel sheet. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, my lords. Now, may I humbly request My Lord, Honorable Sir Justice Chakrathari Saran Singh, Chief Justice High Court of Orissa, to kindly deliver the inaugural address. My Lord, please.
My esteemed sister and brother judges present, the district judges and judicial officers, non-members of the bar, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy today that I have again come to open 25 more paperless courts in 14 districts: Bolangir, Bargar, Bhadrak, Cuttack, Jajpur, Kalhandi, Kendrapada, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj and Baripada, Navrangpur, Nayagarh, Puri, Raigada and Sundargarh. I have learnt, as has been told by the chairman, IT and AI committee, that with today's inauguration, 3 more districts, Keonjhar, Bolangir and Sundargarh, have become totally paperless. In addition to 11 other districts which have already become paperless. So it's a great achievement. I congratulate the IT and AI committee of the High Court and all of you, all the judicial officers who are going to be benefited with this, all the stakeholders also. In the 10th phase, we had 316 paperless courts, and by adding 25 more by this, it will come to 341 paperless courts in the district judiciary of Odisha. The concept of paperless court involves more uses of electronic paper in the court and dispensing with the movement of physical case records, which consumes time and manpower. I am making an effort with the IT and AI committee that when we go for e-filing of cases, we should rather try to dispense with the requirement of physical filing of cases. On that direction, we are doing some exercise, some amendments may be required to be made in the rules governing the High Court and your rules also. The process includes digitization of the case records and transmitting the digitized records to the court hall electronically. By more paperless courts, we will be visualizing to ensure a transparent and speedy justice delivery system, an easier file storage, retrieval, and movement system, instantaneous access to voluminous records, and ease in preparation of notes at the time of argument. Above all, this is also to ensure faster mode of obtaining copies of the orders and judgments and reduces the wastage of millions of sheets of paper. Online portals, online e-RTI portals for all the district courts are available with today's inauguration. It is truly a great feat. This has been done in the light of the Supreme Court's order in case of Kishan Chand Jain versus Union of India. The technical team of this court has developed the facility for supply of information through online web portal for the district judiciary. The portal has the facility of user registration. You must all of us have seen. Login and seek information under the RTI Act, view the current status of the RTI application, and obtaining information supplied by the concerned public information officer of the district judiciary. All the public information officers of the district judiciary have been provided with login credentials to view the RTI applications filed through the portal and process them. Facility has been made to upload the information sought by the applicant. I am hopeful that this e-RTI portal will help the citizen and justice seekers at large and will enhance the purposeful mission and objectives of the Right to Information Act. I thank the IT and AI committee for inviting me to inaugurate this momentous addition to in the direction of e-initiatives. Thank you very much.
And thank you, my lord, for the warm and heartfelt address to our honorable guests and the words of encouragement and guiding words. Now, may I request my lord Honorable Dr. Justice Sanjeev Kumar Panigrahi, Judge, High Court of Orissa and member of the IT and AI Committee to kindly present vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. My esteemed Chief Justice, Justice Chakradhari Saran Singh, esteemed Chairman of the IT and AI Committee, and members of the committee, my esteemed sister and brother judges present here, the district judges, Registrar General, registry officials, and all other officers who are present in the district courts, President and Secretary of the Bar Association who are present there, and all the ladies and gentlemen present in the function. Welcome to the paperless revolution of Orissa judiciary, and you have contributed a lot in this paperless journey. And now we have reached to 341 in the phase 11 of the inauguration of paperless courts. And thankfully, we are also joining to reduce the deforestation, which Indian judiciary consumes about 1.3 million trees every year and 11 billion sheets paper every year and 109 billion water every year. So we are joining the race for reducing these kind of waste, and hope this will in future we will be materializing and more trees will be saved and water will be saved in the water scarce country. Especially there are some parts of the country which is facing huge water scarcity. The paperless court not only cost effective, but also it saves the time and space. It can create a lot of space in your in the district judiciary. It is environment friendly and all other benefits you have. But in the paperless courts, the officers who will be dealing with the paperless courts, they are to be acquainted and they have to get upskilled in their approach to use it comfortably like the paper. So paperless, so that experience you have to have gradually, and we are trying to make that experience, and we are doing we are doing some research here at this end to make it more paperless, is feeling like you are using as if you are using paper, though it will be paperless. So especially annotation and other things, and gradually that will be passed on to you. And if there is any problem with respect to the use of paper, a paperless court, please feel free to contact the CPC, and CPC is always there to coordinate with you and solve your problem. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you, Chief Justice, and all my brothers and sister judges, and all the persons who are present here. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And we will be waiting for yet another edition of the paperless court next month. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. I would now seek and permission of the Honorable Chair to declare the inaugural function as closed.
Yes, please close.
Thank you, Lordship. The function is declared closed.